Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the chromosomes. The chromosomes means thread-like structure present in the nucleus of animal cell and as well as the plant cell. The chromosomes is the very important because that contain the genetic material, that is DNA. And this chromosome is discovered by the Walter Fleming, and the term is discovered by the Wilder in 1888. Next, now we will discuss about the structure of chromosome. This is the structure of chromosome. Secondary construction, pellicle, matrix, chromonimeta, satellite, secondary construction, spindle fiber, primary construction, centrosome. These all are the parts of the chromosome. Next, what is chromosome? Chromosome means, the word itself indicates. Chromo means color. Chromo means color. Soma means body. The color body is present in the nucleus of the cell, that is animal cell and plant cell, that is called the chromosome. What is secondary construction? Secondary construction is will help to the nuclear organization, and this pellicle is the outer layer of the chromosome. This is called pellicle. Pellicle is the thin layer. Next, matrix. Matrix is the innermost part of the pellicle. Next, what is chromonimeta? Chromonimeta means this is the DNA, finger-like projection, thread-like projection, structure. Chromo means color. Chromo means color. Nema means projections, means thread-like. Thread-like structure is present in the matrix, in pellicle, that is called chromonimeta. Next, in primary constriction. Primary constriction means primary constriction. Next, centrosoma, kinetochora. This is present in the primary constriction. Next, the primary constriction is attached to the spindle fiber, that is chromatids. Next, secondary constriction. Secondary constriction, I have told in the secondary constriction is help to form the nuclear organization. Next, satellite. These are the structure. Next, we will discuss the sister chromatids. Means in so many types are there. In 4 types of chromosomes are there. One is metacentric, submetacentric, and acrocentric and telocentric, depending upon the size of the arm. I will tell. This is the centromere. Centromere. This is the centromere. What is the work and function of centromere? It joins these arms. The joins the arms. This is arm. Arms. This is centromere. Depending upon this centromere is exactly in the middle. Sometimes while during the cell division, this like of sister chromatids will form. This is sister chromatids. This is sister chromatids. This is centromere. Centromere joins the chromatids. Now I will discuss. Chromosomes are the very important because that contain the genetic material, that is DNA, which will transfer in the heredity. Means this is the metacentric. Shorter arm is called P arm. Longer arm is called Q arm. Means exactly at the center. This is metacentric. This is submetacentric, means this is exact, centromere is exactly in the middle. This is slightly away from the middle. Submetacentric. Submetacentric. And next, acrocentric. Acrocentric means the centromere is towards the pole, means end side. This is called acrocentric. Next, this is telocentric. Telo means terminate or end. Telocentric. This type of chromosomes are not present in the human beings. This is telocentric. Now we will discuss about the another one. This is the DNA. These are the chromomeres. Bead-like structure is called chromomeres. Chromomere. This is centromere. Pellicle. In pellicle, matrix is present. Matrix is a jelly-like substance. Jelly-like substance that not form the genetic material. The pellicle, in pellicle, matrix is there. Matrix is a jelly-like substance that not form the genetic material. These are all about the structure of chromosomes. Now we will discuss about the function of chromosomes. A function of chromosome, Sutton and Boyer is suggested in the role of chromosome role in heredity in the 1902. 1902 they will explain the uses of, they will identify the uses of chromosomes. Chromosomes is the regulate the protein of cells, and it determines the gender of an individual, and which it determines the individual of traits of all individual. These all are the uses of chromosomes. Next, chromosomes are the vehicles of heredity because it transfers the heredity characters, inheritance of the from one generation to the another generation. That's why it is called the chromosomes are the vehicles of heredity. Next, the most important function of chromosome is to carry the basic genetic material, and genetic material, that is DNA. DNA provides genetic information for various cellular functions. These functions are essential. These functions are essential for the genetic survival and reproduction of the organism. These all are the structure and function of the chromosomes. Now we will discuss. Next we will discuss about the brief explanation in the next video. Okay. Thank you. For more knowledge, subscribe to Acquire Knowledge.